Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Banking questions are fast and easy if you know the trick. Let's solve this money supply problem together and find the correct answer right now. Depositing $1,000 cash into a checking account does not change M1 immediately. You are simply moving money from your pocket into the bank, so the total supply stays constant. Next, the bank keeps 25% as required reserves and holds $750 in excess reserves. This new lending power is what actually triggers the money creation process. With a money multiplier of 4, the total change is $3,000. Subtract the initial deposit to find the new money created by the banking system. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check your steps carefully.